Yes po.
Good evening everybody! Okay ba kayo? Nakakain na ba ang lahat? Hindi pa. Sige, nakapila na po tayo. Bilang nakakain na yung lahat dyan. Merry Christmas, Honor PH!
And this is your party. I want you guys to scream and shout, Merry Christmas, Honor PH! Okay, good, good. At least we're on the same page, okay? I don't care about this. Guys, by the way, before we continue, magpapakilala muna po kami sa inyo.
Yes, good evening to everybody and Merry Christmas! Ako po si Tonton.
Hello po, at ako po sila po. Charot. Dahil sa letters sa akin, charot. Good evening to all of you guys, and thank you so much for having us. My name is Divine Tetay. Habang nakikita ko may manok na ilalagay sa sipilias.
Yes, sige, tingin naman
Oh,
kami
dapat,
dito sa
dapat, baka tumapo. Anak ng pucha. Kaya, sige. So I just want to remind you guys na kami po yung kinuha na host. So,
ibig sabihin,
definitely, walang Bible study, walang prayer meeting na magaganap, okay? So what we do sa community bar, we'll get a little like naughty, a little not too rowdy, pero, you know, let's just let your hair down, mag-enjoy lang po tayo, magbibiroan lang tayo, simula ngayon hanggang mamaya. Yun nangyari sa hagdanan, ang laking biro nung
oo, Diyos ko, akala ko, makikita ko na si Lord.
Yes, kung wala ko sa likuran niya, malamang meron tayong staff tonton. Pero ang sarap dito mag-direct. So, magbibiroan lang po tayo. And eto nga yung kasi, yung party nila, it's ang thing, it's like yung
Hollywood.
no, like, kahit like icon. Like,
Icon,
yeah.
yes.
So,
So, may
ang
mga
dami-
nakita na ako mga ano dito, dalawang Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Nakita ko rin, nagpa-picture pa yung isa, tapos sabi sa akin,
Ano?
Tonton pa-picture, hihihi.
Yung ano,
Oo, tumagal.
sana sumagot ka. So, ang dami ng Michael Jackson, hulaan nyo kasi isa buhay, isa patay. Kasi yung isa hindi ko alam kasi nakita ko lumusod sa pader. So, baka he just wants to have fun with us.
Yes.
Ang dami nag-effort. So, palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili nyo because, you know, like, ako, ang hirap magganito ha, like yung magsira ka ng sopa para may
Hindi,
jacket.
jacket mo talaga yan.
Yes, saka na gano'n, nakapantulog ako, no?
Hulaan mo kung sino ako ngayon.
Yung teacher ko nung high school sa science.
Hindi. Hoy, sikat to ngayon.
Sino?
Labubo yan. Diba? Ganito yung kotse ng labubo.
Ulugan nila Cebu. Ito ako, nagpipigyan ako, sabi ko ano ba, sige, para mag-Naomi na lang or later. Yung, the Trinity, the motto.
Yes.
So I just wanted to do like a comfortable lang, so...
So, sino yan?
Wala, Cinderella, kasi nakaano ako, nakapantulog ako. Sleeping Beauty.
Ay, may nakita rin akong Boy George dyan sa paligid, ha?
Meron. Tapos there's so many good-looking guys tonight. Promise. Magpalakpakan nga lahat ng gwapo. Ang daming gwapo, promise. Umuulan ng gwapo ngayong gabi, pero bumabagyo ng ano.
Ano?
Ayoko na lang maka-offend. Pero alam niyo kung sino kayo, be honest. Raise your hands.
Andiyan si Elvis Presley, may nakita ko. Marilyn Monroe, I guess, yung dalawang Marilyn natin.
Aha, may nakita ko, who's this guy? Freddie Mercury.
Meron ba?
He's right there.
Tapos parang nakita ko si Vice Ganda. Vice Ganda ba siya?
Okay, gaga.
Sino ba siya?
Gaga?
Hindi ba Vice Ganda yan?
Hindi.
Sino?
Dore.
Vice Ganda, di ba? Oo.
Si Don, alam mo, si Tonton talented. Pero ang bobo. Gago ka.
Sino yan?
Eugene Domingo yun. Gago ka.
Sabi na eh.
Inuulit ko ha, magkukulitan lang ko na masabi namin, pasensya na po. Bayad po kami to do that, okay? Walang mga ano, yung hindi ako magkakaroon ng pasintabi. Sasabihin ko kung ano nararamdaman ko. Dahil may barbecue na tayo! Kaya sa barbecue! Yes! May kasamang sausa. Yung suka tumutulong aasin yung dance floor.
Ay, syempre ba natin of course our PR manager from Honor PH, Sir Pao!
Yes! I think it's about time for us to call him before we continue. Guys, isang malakas at bogang palakpakan naman for our PR manager. Honor Philippines, palakpakan po, Mr. Pao Oga.
Sir Pao! Magandang gabi po, Sir Pao!
Magandang po sa inyo. Thank you po. Thank you, Tete.
Sir Pao! Sir Pao! Sir Pao! Sir Pao!
Mamaya na yung surprise ko sa kanila. Meron daw. Bulong ni Ninong Stephen. Okay, thank you guys. Ano po yan? Parang bahay lang. Yes pa. Ano pa ito? Anyway, thank you guys for coming. On behalf of the honor management, Stephen, Joby, I think Joby is here. Isan as well. Where are you, Isan? There. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming and for ayan, ang dami. Hindi na po kayo mapangalanan isa-isa, baka po abunin tayo bukas, no? Memorize ko naman po lahat ang pangalan, no? Pero thank you to our media friends, to our KOL friends, other stars, our community friends. Ayan, ay mga alaga budget. Ayan. Well, anyway, good evening and welcome to our Thanksgiving celebration. It is great to see all of you once again before the year ends. And Merry Christmas advance po. I just want to take a moment to say a big thank you for joining us as we celebrate the amazing relationship we have built together for 2024 and that since day one of Honor Philippines. I know I always say thank you. We always say thank you for coming to all our events. I think hindi ko na mabilang yung events namin this year. But we felt your support to our small wins and big wins. Kahit anong wins ka ng honor, you're there. So we truly felt your support and we really appreciate that. But before I continue, I'd like to share the stage to the people who worked hard for this event. The people behind tonight's event preparation. Siyempre, hindi lang naman ako yung nag-prepare for this. The people who are also behind the success of Honors events, from Honor XTV to all the Honor store openings from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I think you know them very well. So I'd like to call on, of course, Dennis, our PR supervisor, our senior events officer, Martha, our events officer, and our new girl, Ishan, our KOL officer. But of course, the people behind the marketing team from digital to, of course, the brand, community, e-com. But I think you know them very well. So ito po ang team na nagtatrabaho tonight. Sila po ang nagtatrabaho ng lahat ng events ng Honor. I think Riel can attest to that, right? Siya ang Dugot Punch, sila po. So I think, hindi lang po ako yung mag-share, but I think I'd like to share the microphone to Dennis.
Sino po muna? Ayan. So, first of all, from the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who came here today, who braved the traffic, the rain, and syempre bago-bago yung location natin. So, thank you. Wala akong masabi tonight, kundi puro pasasalamat lang ever since we started noong 2022. You've been here and sama-sama tayo sa lahat ng drop test, sa lahat ng splash test, lahat ng test. So, proven and tested contest. So, yun lang. Sana mag-enjoy po tayo tonight at preview lang yung PS5 minor prize lang namin. Yun lang, thank you.
Tapos post nyo tapos tag nyo po sila.
Yeah.
Thank you po. There you are. Thank you. Palakpakin na po. Thank you po. Of course, constant and unending support for Honor. Excuse stress. Baka maiyak po kasi ako, mamaya na lang. Pero tulad nga na sinabi, minor prize pa lang yung PS5.
Yun lang. Ayan. Thank you and again, enjoy po everyone.